How to fix VFS account login not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix VFS account login not working. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up any browser wherever you are trying to log in to VFS from. After that, try to log in. If that does not work, make sure that you have a strong internet connection. So to make sure that, head over to your Wi-Fi section and just disconnect and reconnect back. After doing that, you can even turn on and turn off your airplane mode. So I'll just do that here and reconnect to the Wi-Fi. After doing that, make sure that you have a strong internet connection and head back to the website again. Now try to log back in. If that does not work again, you might want to try to clear your cache of the browser. To do that, tap on the three dots on the bottom right and head over to history. On your history, tap on delete browsing history and choose the time range. Now you can choose any time range that you want and then delete it. After doing that, you might have to head over to the website again. So just open up this website. So search for VFS login and head over to its website. Now try to log back in and it should work. And that's basically how you do it, guys. That is how you fix this issue. Now you can log in into your VFS account. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned.